In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete in bulk in Lovable AI 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to select multiple projects at once, and how to confirm the deletion safely so you don't remove the wrong items. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Lovable dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so you land on your main workspace. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. That's your primary navigation. From there, choose all projects to open the full list. This view is where bulk actions are available, so make sure you're on this page before you proceed. On the All Projects page, shift your attention to the top right area of the list. You'll see a small square checkbox icon near the header, often next to the column that references creators or the table title. Click that square icon to enable selection mode. This reveals checkboxes for each row in the list, and depending on your view, it may also let you select everything that's visible at once. Now select the projects you want to delete. If you need to remove everything on the current page, use the header checkbox. Otherwise, click the individual checkboxes next to each project you intend to remove. Take a moment here to double check what's selected. Use the search or filters at the top, if available, to narrow the list before selecting. It's much easier to get this right now than to undo it later. Once you've selected the right projects, look for the bulk action controls that appear, typically along the bottom or near the top of the page. You'll see a delete option. Click delete to start the removal process. A confirmation dialog will pop up. Lovable requires you to type a confirmation phrase exactly as shown before it will proceed. Carefully enter the text in the field, matching capitalization, spacing, and punctuation. This safeguard is there to prevent accidental loss of data, so don't rush it. If the app shows you a count of items to be deleted, verify that number matches your intentions. After the confirmation field is accepted, click delete again to finalize. The selected projects will be removed in bulk. Depending on how many items you chose, this may take a moment. When it's done, refresh your All Projects view to confirm they're gone, and you're all set.